First, you upload any photo you want to edit. Click on the button Use in a new design. Select the image, go to Effects, and then click on Magic Edit. Choose the brush size. Brush over area you want to edit. Then click on Continue. Describe what you want to generate and then click on Generate. I will generate 4 images for you. Then select a result you want to add. Or if you don't like these results, then click on the button Generate New Results. After selecting one result, then click on Done. Now download your image. Let's take one more photo to edit. In this photo, I simply want to change this flower crown into a metallic crown adorned with diamonds. I love this one. Let's download it.